Hey there, boss ladies. Welcome back to my channel. This is Coffee and Canva, where I share my best Canva tips, and I'm drinking coffee like all the time. In today's video, I'm going to give you a list of templates that you should be using, or you should think about using in your business. But before we get to it, please hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with my latest videos and ring that bell so you don't miss anything, because I share good Canva stuff, and I'm assuming that's why you're here. Am I right? You know you want to do it. If for no other reason, it will make my day. Really, it will. Okay, so I am always talking about how you need to be using templates in your business. So if you're new, let me just clarify what I mean by that. I don't necessarily mean you got to go into Canva and use those sidebar templates. And I don't necessarily mean you got to go out and purchase templates. That's a good option. I sell templates, hint, hint. But what I mean when I say you need to be using templates is you need to be using branded templates for your business for anything that you design over and over. And they can be templates that you make from scratch, but you don't need to be designing graphics like pins and blog image title image things. What am I trying to say? You know, blog headers. Over and over, you need to have a handful of templates where you can easily just go swap the text, maybe swap a photo, and switch a few things here and there, and have a brand new graphic for your blog, your pin, whatever, in a matter of minutes. So templates save you so much of your valuable time so you can get back to doing the awesome thing that you do in your business. Here are some ideas to get you started about what kind of templates you may need to be using in your business. So you may need to make a list and get to creating your templates. Let's jump into it. So first, I have pins. I like to have about 5 to 7 pin templates, and this is something that I'll probably change up every few months because I'm just making tons of pins. It's probably the graphic I make the most, and that is because Pinterest is my #1 traffic source. And Pinterest in general, I think, just requires more graphics, but it could be something else for you that you are making tons of different types of graphics. Number 2 on my list is video covers, and for me that is YouTube thumbnail covers, and that's number 2 on my list because that's the thing I'm focusing on growing the most right now. And for something like that, I don't need that many different types of templates. I think just like 1 or 2. I tend to sort of try to color code my videos, but like I said, it's still a new process, so these template set that I use right now could change a little bit over time as I nail down my process more. Third on my list is Facebook posts. Now something like Facebook, you may have different types of templates depending on the type of post that you're going to share, which I'm going to talk more about in a minute. But if you're constantly posting on Facebook, you may have 3 to 7 different templates to announce new blog posts or video titles, or to share a quote or a tip or things like that. And then that leads me into Instagram posts and Instagram stories, which is going to be very similar. I know those tend to be more photo and video oriented, but you may have a graphic, again, that announces new content, or you may be sharing a tip or a new post, and you want to have branded templates so you're not making these graphics from scratch every time. And those are really easy now to get on to your phone. You can design them on your computer right in Canva, and while the Canva app isn't all that great on phones, you can download your designs to your phone. And then next on my list is if you create lots of like PDFs or printables or, you know, opt-ins where people download, you may have a styled template that's sort of like your header, your format with a header and footer that you use every time. You may also want to have blog title templates. Now for me, I don't do a separate blog title. I use a pin as my blog image, but you may need a separate one. Okay, and now this next part of the list I kind of already touched on, but you may have different styles of templates based on the content you're sharing. So you may want a template for for a promo graphic. So for example, if I'm showing like a workbook, I tend to do promo graphic. You may have, like I mentioned, quote templates, new content templates, question of the day templates, things like that. You can break your templates up that way. So now that your brain is sort of spinning with some ideas, this is what you need to do to set up your templates. You need to have your branding already in place, and you can check out the video above for how to do that and get that set up in Canva. And then I would make a list of what templates you specifically need for your business, you know, based on where you get your traffic, what you're trying to grow, and where you're active. And then start creating them, which I have another video all about how to brand templates if you do want to go purchase templates. And I have a video about how you can set up your own templates and how you go about saving and using those within Canva. So boss ladies, let me know in the comments if you're using templates or what kind of templates you're going to be creating for your business. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful and want to put a smile on my face. And be sure to subscribe and ring that bell to stay up to date with all of my Canva tips and tricks and hacks. Until next time. Be awesome, boss ladies.